हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। सो अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम आरआरबी एनटीपीसी के 7 एंड 8 अगस्त 2025 के फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड शिफ्ट्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर को गो थ्रू करेंगे। 7 एंड 8 अगस्त दोनों शिफ्ट्स में पूछे गए क्वेश्चंस आपको इस वीडियो में देखने को मिलेंगे। बहुत ही कम टाइम में हम दोनों शिफ्ट्स के क्वेश्चंस को गो थ्रू कर लेंगे। सो वीडियो के लास्ट तक बने रहें एंड जिन्होंने एग्जाम अटेंड किए थे वो अपने आंसर्स चेक कर लें कि आपने जो जो क्वेश्चन अटेंड किए थे वो सही हैं कि गलत हैं। एंड एट लास्ट आप कॉमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि आपके कितने आंसर्स सही थे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ प्री मानसून रेन इन साउथ इंडिया? And the answer is mango shower. Second question, who was the first chairman of the Election Commission of India? And the answer is Sukumar Sen. Third question, on what basis is the Human Development Index, that is HDI, calculated? And the answer is health, education and standard of living. Fourth question, which of the following diseases is caused by protozoa? And the answer is malaria. Fifth question, who makes laws on subjects in the union list? And the answer is Parliament of India. Sixth question, what is the name of the joint military exercise held between India and UAE? And the answer is Desert Cyclone. Seventh question, in Microsoft Word, the shortcut Ctrl+S is used for? And the answer is save the document with the current name. Eighth question, which Indian state has launched the Kavach Safety app? And the answer is Telangana. Ninth question, where was the 78th Cannes Film Festival held 2021? And the answer is France. 10th question, in which option does the desktop layout appear? And the answer is window shell. 11th question, which computer memory loses its stored data when power goes off? And the answer is random access memory, that is RAM. 12th question, if an object moves 4 times the speed of sound, what is it called? And the answer is supersonic. 13th question, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana is related to? And the answer is providing LPG gas to backward class families. 14th question, where was the 38th National Games organized? And the answer is Dehradun. 15th question, what is the theme of World Meteorological Day 2025? And the answer is closing the early warning gap together. 16th question, the bristles of toothpaste brushes are generally made up of? And the answer is nylon. 17th question, which of the following is an example of soft infrastructure? And the answer is public education. 18th question, which mouse operation is used to delete a file? And the answer is right click on the file and select delete. 19th question, in which act was the post of Governor General created? And the answer is Regulating Act 1773. 20th question, who was the Home Minister of India before the 2025 elections? And the answer is Amit Shah. 21st question, which ruler's policy did the Nizam of Hyderabad adopt? And the answer is Lord Wellesley, Subsidiary Alliance. 22nd question, how many assembly seats were there in Delhi in 2025? And the answer is 70 seats. 23rd question. Where is the origin of Luni River? And the answer is Udaipur. 24th question. Who won the gold in weightlifting? And the answer is Tushar Mehta. 25th question. How are plains formed? And the answer is by sediments of soil brought by rivers. 26th question. Which is the longest railway tunnel in India? And the answer is Pirpanjal Tunnel. 27th question. Who is the current director of CBI? And the answer is Praveen Sood. 28th question. Where is the headquarters of the World Trade Organization located? And the answer is Geneva. 29th question. Who was the founder of slave dynasty? And the answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. 30th question. What is the 61st Amendment of the Constitution of India about? And the answer is reducing the voting age from 21 to 18 years. 31st question. Article 40 of the Indian Constitution is related to? And the answer is Gram Panchayat. 32nd question. From which glacier does the Alaknanda River originates? And the answer is Satopant Glacier. 33rd question. Who is the first woman appointed as the Deputy Governor of RBI? And the answer is Poonam Gupta. 34th question. How long was Humayun reign? And the answer is 1530 to 1540 and 1555 to 1556. 35th question. What is the theme of World Water Day 2025? And the correct answer is glacier preservation. 36th question. Where were the 38th National Games held? And the answer is Dehradun, Uttarakhand. 37th question. Which is the oldest Ved? And the answer is Rig Ved. 38th question. How many watts are equal to 1 horsepower? And the correct answer is 746 watt. 39th question. Who was the India's first woman governor? And the answer is Sarojini Naidu. 40th question. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League final, securing their second title in 3 seasons? And the answer is Mumbai Indians. 41st question. Who is the current Chief Minister of Delhi? And the answer is Rekha Gupta. 42nd question. Where does the Jhelum River originates? And the answer is Verinag Spring, Kashmir. 43rd question. Who is the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India? And the answer is Gyanesh Kumar. 44th question. The Third Battle of Panipat was fought between Ahmad Shah Abdali and which Indian power? And the answer is Marathas. And the last 45th question. Scheduled castes and scheduled tribes are mentioned in which schedules of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is 5th and 6th. ये थे आरआरबी एनटीपीसी 7th and 8th अगस्त के फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड शिफ्ट्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, इन विच कंट्री इज द जाकर फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड। तो ये क्वेश्चन भी आरआरबी एनटीपीसी पे पूछा गया है 7th and 8th अगस्त के शिफ्ट में। तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको मुझे कमेंट करके बताना है, एंड आपको ये भी कमेंट करके बताना है कि आउट ऑफ 45 आपके कितने क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट रहे हैं।